today you would listen to his voice. Harden not your hearts.
Oh, that today you would listen to his voice. Harden not your hearts.
Come, let us ring out a joy to the Lord. Hail the rock who saves us. Let us come into his presence, giving thanks. Let us hail him with a song of praise.
Oh, that today you would listen to his voice. Harden not your hearts.
Oh, come, let us bow and bend low. Let us kneel before the God who made us. For he is our God, and we the people who belong to his pasture, the flock that is led by his hand.
Oh, that today you would listen to his voice. Harden not your hearts.
Oh, that today you would listen to his voice. Harden not your hearts as at Meribah, as on that day at Massah in the desert, when your forebears put me to the test, when they tried me, though they saw my word.
Oh, that today you would listen to his voice.